chain of mobile businesses. First, the different definition of the mobile business model, impact by various participants who have different background and interest, where they decided to enter that business by interest. It's not like their passion. Sorry, not. It's not like they were pushed by a business then they entered. Actually, they are most of them entrepreneurs who enter the business by their interest and background in internet and so on, especially when the smartphones started. So the essential factors in businesses value chain, the revenue sharing, ownership of customer, and transport cooperation. Also, collaborative business to business relationship between participants. Enterprise for mobile businesses where they help each other to build up their businesses together. So differently share the same service to achieve two different business and mobile with two different interests, but the same service. Cooperative partnership where they're making up their shortage in core competency and expanding their current business status. Same here, where they have short in their cure main competency. They help each other to cover it, especially in the beginning. So we have two visual maps for the first, the value chain of mobile businesses, where they start from the network, then the technology that they are using, then the content of the business, then their interface reaching to the customer, and then the other one, the competency of the mobile for each one of those mobile business, for each one of the value chain. We have for the network back end system, the web service, the internet, and then the mobile network. Then we have for the technology, mobile business technology, we have the software development, the payment solutions, security solutions, software platform will reach eventually to the application development. And we have the content. There is the content reviewed. Then there is the content agreed. I don't know. And interacts. We have to the mobile platform. Then the mobile devices itself, reaching to the eventually the customer. Network, for the network value chain, we have, as we said, the back end system, the web service, internet, then the mobile. Most fundamental part of the mobile business's value chain, providing the added services of mobile business, performing the business transaction and transformation. Mostly those the owner of the businesses have experience and background in those in the network, where they move to the next value, so they can achieve their businesses. Usually they have the technology and they start generating ideas and interest to move on to the business itself.